Quarrel can be used as a noun or a verb. For example, noun, they had a terrible quarrel over money. And as a verb, they quarreled over money. This is very formal, so quarrel can be replaced by fall out, the phrasal verb. The fallout was terrible, or they fell out over money. Doff is a verb. Doff your hat when you are inside. Verb, take off your hat when inside. So the phrasal verb doff can be replaced by the phrasal verb take off. Continue can be replaced by get on with. As a verb, continue means to get on with your work. Continue with your work. Select. It can be a verb, select what you would like to eat, and it can be used as an adjective when we talk about a select group of people. Select, being very formal, can be replaced by the phrasal verb pick out. Verb, pick out your favorites. Was quarrel a new word for you? And did you know fall out? Let me know in the comments. Yes or no? Await can be replaced by wait for. So instead of I await your response, which is very formal, we can say I am waiting for your reply. Search can be replaced by look for. Search can be a noun, the search was successful, or we can use it as a verb, we are searching for an answer. And the phrasal verb, we are looking for an answer. Much more natural. Examine can be replaced by look at. So instead of saying please examine the results, we could say please look at the results. It's much more natural. Return, it can be an adjective, the returned item, or as a noun, the return of winter. And if we use it as a verb, we can replace it with the phrasal verb bring back. Please return the book when you are finished. Please bring back the book when you are done. Discuss can be replaced by talk over. Instead of formally saying we will discuss the problem, we can say it more naturally, we will talk over the problem. Tolerate can be replaced by put up with. Very formally, we could say I can't tolerate that loud noise. Or informally, I can't put up with that racket. Racket is another way of saying a loud noise. Let me know which one is your favorite so far. I quite like racket. Depart. So this can be replaced by take off. Specifically for planes, take off when they depart. The plane will depart at 2 p.m. The plane will take off at 2 p.m. Reject. So we can have it as a noun or an adjective or a verb. And the verb can be replaced by turned down. She rejected his proposal. She turned down his proposal. To convene can be replaced by to get together. The meeting will convene at 1:30 p.m. It's very formal. And if we're talking about friends, we could say we will get together at 1:30. We will get together at 1:30. Visit. It can be a noun or a verb. And with the verb, it can be replaced by drop by. I will visit you later this afternoon, or more naturally, I will drop by later. Consume. This can be replaced by eat up. So we could say this task will consume many hours of your day, or he consumed all his food. This task will eat up a lot of your time. He ate up all his food. Don can be replaced by put on. Please don a jacket before you go outside, or much more naturally, please put on a jacket before you go out. Retire can be replaced by go to bed. Very formally, I shall retire to bed. Or I am going to bed. As a verb, retire also means to stop working. He will retire after working 15 years for this company. But obviously, we cannot replace it in that context. Which ones are new for you so far? Let's carry on. Awaken. I awaken every morning at 6 a.m. But more naturally, I wake up every morning at 6 a.m. I arise every morning at 6:10. More naturally, I get up every morning at 6:10. So in the first part, I wake up when I first open my eyes, and I get up is when I get out of bed. To surrender. As a noun, can be used, the surrender of the troops was expected soon. As a verb, the troops surrendered. Surrender can be replaced by give in. Sometimes you need to give in order to reach a compromise. And in a slightly different way, to give up. This means you quit. So he quit smoking to improve his health, or more naturally we use he gave up smoking. So to give in is surrender, and give up is to quit. Review. We use this often to go over things. So the review is expected to take an hour. It can be a noun, the review, or the verb, let's review the lesson on phrasal verbs. So more naturally, and as a teacher, you would say, let's go over the lesson on phrasal verbs, because we're introducing a phrasal verb in the phrasal verb lesson. To distribute, we need to distribute the food to everyone. We can replace that with give out. We need to give out the food to everyone. And we have a different phrasal verb for if you distribute something by hand. Then we say we hand out the food to everyone. To gather is to gather everybody so that we can start the game. Can be replaced by round up. Round up everybody so we can start. Are you keeping up so far? Let me know in the comments. Write down your sentences with phrasal verbs and I will provide feedback. So let's move on. Do you understand everything? Can be replaced by keep up. Are you keeping up? And to move on, as a much more formal, natural way, a much more informal, natural way of saying, let's continue. Let's move on. I watched The Avengers last night. Avengers, the noun, and to avenge. The movie is about heroes who avenge the people of the planet after it was attacked. So to avenge, very formal, can be replaced by to get back at. Or we can also use another phrasal verb, get even. To get back at someone or to get even. Succeed can be replaced by get ahead. He wants to succeed in his career. He wants to get ahead in his career. It's much more natural. Socialize. Teenagers, they just want to hang out. In fact, all of us just want to hang out with our friends. Laugh can be replaced by crack up. He laughs at jokes. Or he cracks up at jokes. Jokes crack him up. Write a sentence with crack up. You can separate it, cracks him up, or you can use crack up together. Write it in the comments and let me see how you're doing. To organize can be replaced by sort out. I hate doing my taxes. It's something I have to sort out. Resolve can be replaced by iron out. Iron out the problems. Much more natural than saying resolve the issues. Nice thing with phrasal verbs too is sometimes we don't have to use an adjective or an adverb. A phrasal verb actually tells us already progress, slow progress. We can say instead, plod along. We are plodding along. Tells me you're making progress, but slowly. Expect can be replaced by bank on. I expect it will happen. I am banking on it. Have you got any questions? Let me know in the comments and write down your example sentences so that I can see how you're doing. Next up we have improve. I need to improve my English. Improve can be replaced by brush up. I need to brush up on my English. Select can be replaced by pick out. Select is very formal. Pick out your favorites. Pick out what you want to eat. Pick out which color you like. Recover can be replaced by get over. He's getting over the flu. He's getting over a cold. Extinguish can be replaced by put out. Fireman extinguished the fire. Fireman put out the fire. Write a sentence with fallout, and let me check how you're doing.